Hello, this is Ramin with RaminDigital.com and RaminDigital on YouTube. I have a new super sport, multi-sport intro trailer template project file for Vegas Pro. It's compatible with Vegas Pro 13 and up, so that means 14, 19, 20, 20, and also 22. It's a decent project. It's about 50 seconds long. It has a bunch of placeholders for video or photo and a bunch of text. Template is very easy to edit. All of the placeholders are laid out in the template, and you use numbered images, so you know at any given time where you are in the timeline. So in here, if you see placeholder 1, that means this is where your timeline is. Each segment has a text element in it that you can change it. You can change color, you can change font, size, and all of the motion effect and all the special effects are already programmed in there. So all you gotta do is just change your text, don't replace it. Change your text, and you're ready to replace the default placeholder with your media, photo, or video. Go into the timeline and you see the placeholder is number 1. Go into your project media tab, select image 1 and say replace. Navigate to where your images or your clips are and select whichever you want and say open. This will automatically replaces the default placeholder with your video and also applies all the text and color corrections and all the graphics as well. And then you go to the next segment. You see this one, it's got a placeholder 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, you select 2, replace, select your image, and then 3, replace, select your image, and 4, and also 5. So this will replace all of the 5 segments in here. So now if you play your timeline, so I hope you enjoy this template. You can use it for your promos, multi-sport, super sport, extreme sports, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit our website. Thank you for watching.